Namaskar, Yokar. I am Sneha Sabnis. Welcome to the session on Introduction to Devanagari Script session of Certificate course in Konkani Proficiency. We have already seen the history, origin, and peculiar features of Konkani language. Now we shall see vowels in Konkani language. First, let us see foundational aspects of a language. A language has 5 foundational aspects. They are Varna, which means letter. Next is Akshar, which means alphabet. Third is Shabda. In English, it is word. Then comes Vakya, sentence. And last is Vyakran and Shuddha Lekhan. In English, it is grammar and orthography. Varna, Akshar, Shabda, Vakya, Vyakran, Shuddha Lekhan. So these are the 5 foundational aspects of a language. In Konkani too, these are the 5 foundational aspects. Now let's see what does a varna or letter mean. तोंडांतल्यान भायर पडटा त्या मूळ ध्वनीक वर्ण म्हणटात. वर्ण तोंडांतल्यान भायर पडटा त्या मूळ ध्वनीक वर्ण म्हणटात. So this is in Konkani. In English, it basically means a speech sound. Now let's see akshar. What does akshar mean? उच्चारित भाषेतल्या ध्वनीची, वर्णाची लिखित खूण जाचो वापर शब्द घडोवपाक जाता ताका अक्षर म्हणटात. उच्चारित भाषेतल्या ध्वनीची वा वर्णाची लिखित खूण जाचो वापर शब्द घडोवपाक जाता ताका अक्षर म्हणटात. अक्षर. So this basically mean set of letters used for writing the words of a language is called as alphabet. The speech sounds are broadly divided into 2 categories, which are vowels and consonants. Speech sounds are of 2 kinds, vowels and consonants. So vowels in Konkani would mean swar and consonants mean vyanjan. Swar, vyanjan. Words are built from vowels and consonants. A word cannot be formed without vowels. So vowels is very important. So first, let us focus on vowels and then we shall see consonants. Vowels in Konkani language would mean कसलीच आडखळ येनासतना आणि हेर खंयच्याय वर्णाचो वापर करिनासतना एक विशिष्ट नाद अभिव्यक्त करता तेन्ना स्वर जल्माक येता. कसलीच आडखळ येनासतना आणि हेर खंयच्याय वर्णाचो वापर करिनासतना एक विशिष्ट नाद अभिव्यक्त करता तेन्ना स्वर जल्माक येता. Now English, this would mean the oral part of the breath channel is not blocked and is not constricted enough to cause audible friction. The oral part of the breath channel is not blocked and is not constricted enough to cause audible friction. Vowels or swar are independent speech sounds. Konkani, Marathi, Hindi use Devanagari symbols. These are the languages which follows Devanagari symbols. Therefore, you'll find a lot of similarities in vowels and consonants. So first let's take vowels in Konkani language. So these are the vowels. Let's read this. A, E, E, U, U, A, I, O, O, A, A, E, E, U, U, A, I, O, O. So these 10 vowels, these are 10. These 10 vowels are commonly used in Konkani, and there are, if you see A, and O, these 3 vowels are pronounced as open sound and closed sound. A, and O. We shall see this in detail later. So these are the first 10 vowels: A, E, U, A, I, O, O. Now, apart from these 10 vowels, and aha are 2 more vowels. And aha. Is basically a vowel with anuswar, and aha is with visarg. However, in Konkani, this vowel aha is not there. Next is a, o, a, and o. These are basically open sounds and mostly used for loan words from English language or any other foreign language, basically European languages. And last vowel is ru. Ru. This vowel is used only to write proper nouns, which means vishesh naam in Konkani, and also for words which are borrowed from Sanskrit language. They are called as tatsam shabda, tatsam words which are borrowed from Sanskrit language and used in Konkani language without any change. So this ru you'll find either in vishesh naam or in tatsam shabda, proper noun or tatsam words. Now you saw that the pronunciation of this ru is different from Hindi language. In Hindi, we would pronounce this as ri, ri. Whereas in Konkani, it is ru, ru. Let us take an example. This is a Sanskrit word taken in Konkani, which means Rushi or a sadhu. Now, in Hindi, this will be pronounced as Rishi, Rishi, Rishi. And in Konkani, it would be Rushi. Rushi. However, in Konkani, we also write this as Rushi. So either you can write as tatsam word. This would be tatsam. And you can either write it as this, Rushi. So these were the vowels in Konkani language. We shall see open and closed sounds of these vowels, and we shall also see the transliteration of these vowels in the next session. Dev bare karo.